Welcome. In front of me is an iPad Pro, and today I will show you how you can enable power saving mode on this device. Started, we want to open up settings and navigate to Control Center, and in here you'll find low power mode. Click on the plus next to it, and this will make it so you can now toggle it on and off at any point you want. As you can see, it just adds this toggle here. We can click on it, and right now we have the, as it's called here, low power mode enabled. And once you're done with it, you can again just pull down the toggles right here and tap on it again to turn it off. Now, to pull down the toggles, just make sure you swipe right here from where the basically percentage, battery, and connection is, and this will bring it down. So there we go. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.